everybody, my name is Strawberry.
My name is Cherry.
And today we are going to be making
A necklace,
a bracelet,
and a ring.
I hope you guys have fun. These are all the things we need. Rubber bands. I chose the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, transparent white. It's very important that you need all the rubber bands at the same size if you're making one. If you use one big and one small, it doesn't turn out right. And these are all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, transparent white. Oops. And so, when we also need these hooks, the S hooks. We need this to hook it. We need to use this at the end. Otherwise, we can't wear it. Let's start. Cherry, can you give me red? We need a red. We put it like an 8. It should look like an 8 at the first. Then you put the next color, orange. Then you put the red on top of the orange. And it should come like this. Then you put yellow, the next color. After yellow is green. Can you give me the green?
Okay, sure.
After yellow, it's green. We can make it with our fingers too. And we put this on top. Like this. It should become like this. After green is blue. Thank you, Cherry.
Here comes strawberry.
It's like this, right? You put the other color on top and put the bottom color on top. And we do it until it's our size. After blue, it's purple. So we put purple.
Oh, wow.
Purple. After purple is pink. We put pink. I want to add an extra white. And now we completed one rainbow. Let's see if it fits your finger. Yes, it does fit. Now, this is the important step. I do this so it's making it easier for me. Take one of those. Can you give me one? Okay, so there's a whole gap. We put it like this. First, as you see, it's straight. We can't wear it. That's why we need this. We put it in the middle and do this again. This makes it comfortable for me. You can do it in your way. And you join it. Now we created a ring. You see, just now it was straight. Now it's like a circle. That's why this is important. And now we created ourselves a ring. Now let's make a bracelet. You can choose a color.
I want a necklace first.
Okay, let's make a necklace first.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, and that white.
The transparent white.
Yeah, I forgot.
Let's start with the necklace. We need to make it long.
Oh, okay.
Like just now, I told you, he wants a rainbow necklace. So you put it like an 8. You don't only need to start it with red. You can start with any other color you want. Orange. We put it like this on top. It's supposed to be like this because the bracelet the ring bracelet necklace is supposed to be like that. So we put the next color, go on and do whatever we want.
Strawberry, I think I should give you red.
Okay. I'm almost finishing her necklace.
Thank you, Strawberry.
Let's put it. This is the last rainbow I'm doing.
Wow! So
Watch
beautiful.
carefully.
Oh, wow. put the blue one. Or the green.
It's supposed to be green after blue. I mean, yeah.
This strawberry. Now I think you should have white after that.
Yep, I end the rainbow with the white.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is the hook part.
Oh,
Can you give me the hook?
okay.
So, this is the way it will make easier for me to hook. You can hook in your own way.
And this might just go.
Making these are so fun. Yeah, you can try them at home too.
Oh, thank you. Is it done like this?
Hope you liked it.
Thank you. Huh?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah,
I'll help you.
it's very small.
It's okay, it might fit you. It did fit you. You look beautiful. Hope you had fun.
Thank you everyone for seeing our video.